out of 40 we are demanding for right now for 5 tickets. Okay? Because we can't demand for 33% right now. 33% it has to be, reservation has to be there.
Bill has to
But we are demanding for 5 tickets. Very strongly we are demanding for the 5 ticket. That is from the Mahila Congress.
Okay.
Okay? So what result comes out, that we have to wait for that.
Where you demanded any particular constituency, can you disclose?
No, that I won't disclose right now. I'll get
When
back to
it is
you.
final-
Jennifer was a Mahila, but
See, Mahila Congress, they are not asking for Mahila Congress. It is any woman from the party.
Yeah, Jennifer was there, and only Jennifer. Only she was there. We are fighting for 5. Let's see what comes out. We are waiting for the answer. Okay, so what we will do, that we have not decided right now. We have a plan with us, but we may not disclose it right now. Last time BJP did not give anyone. Only that Alina Saldana was only the by-election she got. So I think Congress is much better regarding the giving tickets to the Mahila Sashaktikarana. I am definitely claiming my ticket. Savitri is there, then Helen is there. There's so many people are there. Ethel is there. Sakri.
No, that's which constituency you are claiming?
Sakri.